Hi, my name is Lexi and next week I'm travelling to Australia, New Zealand, Southeast Asia and Indonesia for 4 months on my sort of gap year. On this trip I'm going to be backpacking, and I've been watching a lot of packing with me videos on YouTube and felt pretty inspired to film my own video. So if you guys have an upcoming trip or you're just nosy like I am and like to know what everyone's taking with them on these like long journeys and adventures, then stay tuned. Yeah, enjoy. So first up we'll start with my bag. So this is my bag here. This is a Vango bag, which is a brand I've never actually heard of before, but I bought this one in Decathlon. I think it must have been like a good 3-4 years ago now. It's a 60 litre bag plus 10, so I think the plus 10 is stuff you can add on to it and all that jazz. It's pretty good though. I just recently rediscovered it's got this little bottom front pocket here, which I think is going to be really handy because I'm not a fan of like having to unpack everything just to get one thing out. I'll start with shoes and footwear, what I'm taking. So I'm taking my pair of trainers, so one pair of trainers. These are my Adidas Superstar. I know they're white, but they're pretty beat up anyway. So I'm just umming and ahhing between taking these or a pair of Converse. I'm still pretty undecided, but these are so beat up I don't think it'll matter if they get completely wrecked and fall apart. I'm also taking my Birkenstocks, which just realised they've got loads of salt on them from Croatia last year. But I'm going to take these and then also a pair of flip-flops just for like wearing around the hostels or just at the beach, which is always good. Towel-wise, I'm going to go with my travel towel. So this is just a microfiber towel from Eurohike, cracking brand. And then I'm also taking this linen towel. This will just be pretty handy because you can just wrap it around you, like on the beach, or just wear it as a sarong, so that's always brilliant. And I think this is actually from HomeSense. I got it for my birthday last year. Right, toiletry wise, I've got quite a lot of stuff, so I'll break it down. I did also do a blog post of all the stuff I'm taking, so if you want like an in-depth read of all the makeup and stuff I'm taking, you can check that out. I'll leave the link in the bio. But what I'm taking is, we've got some face cleansers. They say face cleansers, but it's just face wipes, you know. I've got Jungle Formula mosquito repellent. When you're buying this sort of thing, you just have to make sure that it's actually got DEET in it, because I know a lot of them don't actually contain DEET. This is something my doctor told me, which is so interesting. Sunscreen, can't go wrong. And then I've got this face sunscreen, which is by Skin, which is a really nice brand. This is a bit of an extra one, like I do not need to take this with me, but I'm so going to take it with me. But I bought these 5 sheet masks for all the planes that we're going to be getting, and they're just the sheet masks you wear, but I get really dehydrated skin, so I thought it'd be a really nice little treatment while I'm in the sky flying. And these I got from TK Maxx, so really nice little buy. I've also got a little perfume from L'Occitane, I think that's how you say. Some deodorant. Oh, this is one of my favourite little things. Someone from work told me about it, but basically this is the original source lemon and tea tree body wash, and apparently Mozzies absolutely hate it because they hate lemon and they hate the tea tree. So if you shower with this, the Mozzies will not like you, so stick with that. I've also got some hair oil because I like to keep my hair nice. Doubt that's probably not going to last me very long, but it's a nice little mini. And then I've got a couple of mini shampoo and conditioners. I've also got a Lush shampoo bar and conditioner bar because I think those are really handy. They're much better for the environment as well because they obviously last, and they're just really packable and good to take with you. I've also got some more mosquito repellent, a face hydrating mist, which is really nice. And then I've got this little bag here which just has a couple of minis. I'm probably going to take this on the flight with me, so I've just got like a mini micellar water, a hand cream, toothbrush, toothpaste, a couple of different face washes here, some more mouthwash, 2 mouthwash and some earplugs there as well, and some hand sanitizer. I've also got some antiseptic wipes somewhere, but I don't know where they've disappeared to. They're somewhere amongst all of this mess. As well as my big backpack, I'm also going to be taking a smaller one. So I've just got this Vans one, which I think used to be my old school bag, but I'm going to be taking this with me on the flight and just like for day trips. It's pretty good because it takes a lot of stuff. So in that, I'm also going to be taking a bum bag, and this bum bag is my trusty one. I think it's just from New Look, but just really handy to take with you on day trips and things. I used it a lot when I went around Europe in the summer. I've also got a film camera because I like to shoot film, and I just think it's a really nice way of looking back on memories and capturing moments. I've also got a money belt. I'm umming and ahhing between taking this and my bum bag, so I don't know if anyone's used this in the past. Do you think they're good? Do you think they're worth it? I know it's probably going to be pretty handy to wear underneath clothes, whereas the bum bag's like over the top, but I'll see which one. I've also got a little portable charger here, which I'm going to take with me. I'm obviously going to take it out of the packaging because it's a little bit excessive otherwise. So one thing that I absolutely love, and like it's a hack for whenever I travel, like it's the only thing I do, but I always take these packing cubes. So these ones I bought off Amazon. When I went around Europe, I found it honestly the most helpful thing ever, because when you've got your bag and everything's just been thrown in there, it's so hard to find anything, especially if you're in a rush or like need to get an outfit out and you're just looking for one thing in particular. It's a nightmare just having to dig deep through all of your stuff. So packing cubes are 100% the way forward. These are just from Amazon. I'll link them down below if anyone's interested. But these ones are also so good because they fold down so you can condense all your stuff even more. I'll show you guys what I got in them. So this one is all my bikinis and swimming costumes. So I've got one swimming costume and then a couple of little bikinis, which are just from ASOS, H&M and Depop, I believe. I'm also going to be taking like underwear and stuff, of course, but I haven't yet packed that. But I often just get like a pack of socks and stuff from Primark because they're really cheap and don't matter too much. I know in Australia and New Zealand I'll probably need them, but in Southeast Asia not so much. I imagine me wearing flip-flops and things a little bit more often. In the next one, I'm also going to be wearing on the flight some gym leggings. So these are from Decathlon as well. And then I've also going to be taking this jumper with me, and then this yellow one, which is so bright and very not me, but it's pretty good just for taking from Primark for a £5. Just doesn't matter then if it gets ruined or destroyed or lost, because I think that's the main thing you've got to worry about with your stuff, is that probably going to lose some of it. I've also got a sarong. These are again really handy, similar to the towel, but this will just keep me warm if it's a bit chilly. I can wear it in the evenings or at the beach as well. Play suit or romper, whatever you say. This one's from Pull & Bear. This is like one of my most favourite things that I recently bought, but it's this pair of jersey peg leg trousers from ASOS. I'll try and put a photo of them, but I think these are going to be so handy. These are the gym leggings are the only trousers I'm going to take with me, just because if I'm going to temples or anything, they might be handy, and they're a little bit more lightweight. Also just go with everything and can dress them up or down, which is the best part. I've also just got a pair of jersey black shorts, some plain denim shorts, which I know are a bit thicker, so in Asia they might not be so practical, but definitely for the colder climate, hot weather places. And then I've got this pair of really cute little linen shorts from Zara, which I actually just got on Depop for like a £5. They're super cheap but really flattering as well, and just spice up outfits. Dress wise, I'm probably going to be taking one or two because I've got that play suit. So I've just got this one from Boohoo, which is really cute. So I've got a couple of t-shirts here. I'll be wearing one on the plane as well, and then I've got a long sleeve one, which will just be good for keeping out the sun or if it's a little bit colder. I've also got a couple of bandeaus, so I've got a white one and a black one, and then a little bralette thingy, a couple of tank t-shirts, just because these always look good with shorts and just good to wearing them to the beach and things like that. So those are all the clothes that I'm going to take with me, which sort of makes up the bulk of this video. I'll keep a list on the side here just so you guys can see exactly what I'm packing with me. I'm also going to take like a rain mat with me. I'm not going to take a jacket as such because I don't think, touch wood, that I'm going to need one. And then I've got two pairs of sunglasses, so just these ones here, which are from ASOS, but again on Depop because they're so cheap. And then these Zara ones, which I think are pretty cute. Jewellery wise, I'm going to take all my normal jewellery that I wear. So I'm going to be taking these headphones with me, which will just be good for, again, the plane journeys or coach journeys too. I'm going to take books with me as well. I haven't got a Kindle or anything as such to take. But I will be taking my iPad with me so I can download books and things on there too. I've got this really great little travel organiser. This I just got off Amazon again, and it's just super handy because you can keep cards and things in here, or just little travel documents and information, which is always good. And I'll be keeping my passport in there. And then I'm just going to be taking my journal with me because I love journaling, and it's one of my favourite things to do, to look back on and reflect on trips and things. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and it's been of some help to maybe some of you guys if you're going away at all. I'm going to be trying to do like a couple of little videos when I'm away, and I'm going to be uploading them on here. Otherwise, follow me on Instagram. My name's Lexi Alexandra, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!